Today, we're going to make a drink that I thought was going to be more of a college drink because it looks like it can mess you up.
Well, it's got 151.
It's got 151.
I mean, if you want to drink 151.
But then there's this idea of Tiki, and I was like, mind blown. You got to try it. Keep watching.
It's good.
Expectations subverted.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Ian, Dan, and Derek. That should be good enough.
Yep.
We're going to make a cocktail for you.
Leave Steve out of this.
No, Steve.
No, Steve.
This is called the Hawaiian Slammer, submitted by Cage the Rage. Cage submits drinks that are always like, I have to try them because they make me laugh. And they not really bad,
This
but
one should be interesting,
college level tiki type cocktail.
Yeah.
Ounce of 151.
Fun cocktail.
Right. It's an it is. It's an ounce of 151, an ounce of banana schnapps, an ounce of coconut rum, 3 ounces of pineapple juice, 3 ounces of orange juice, and a half ounce of Grenadine. I kicked up the level of quality by freshly squeezing the orange juice with my own muscles.
Look at that.
And
Holy shit.
How many of them did you use?
oh, well, not my thigh muscles, because that would be weird.
Oranges. How many oranges?
all of them. All the oranges?
I used 3 oranges,
Okay.
but there's more.
Nobody gets any oranges now because Derek used them all.
So for my
Does your vanity have no bounds, sir?
no. So for
I was
my
going to mix it up, so if he said oranges, I was going to say, no, I meant your muscles. So it worked either way.
I know I was gonna lose. Losing is just what I do. I sit here just to lose.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Because then I can laugh at it later. It's not. It might not be as
Well, in that
funny
case,
now.
yeah.
Yes.
But sometimes, like, I don't get things that Ian says because I'm not really quite paying attention. Then I watch him back, and even then, sometimes I still don't get them. But usually I do.
Hey, if you get it later, then it was all for you, buddy.
Yeah.
It's true.
The substitutions happening here is coconut rum. That's fine. I didn't have
There's a
any banana.
substitution?
Well, this is banana and coconut, sort of. Right? It's tropical banana flavor Malibu. Malibu is still
you
coconut
don't
rum.
have banana schnapps?
We drank it all.
Did we really?
I guess. It's
How
not
the
here.
fuck did we drink banana schnapps?
Well,
It
because
just
I
happens.
don't buy it nearly as often as, say, Aperol. Right? So
Yeah, but like...
when I go to the store to refresh stuff, I'm
Even
like, what do
then.
we go through? Maraschino, Aperol, Mezcal. But I never think, oh, banana schnapps.
Oh, yeah, because we shouldn't be.
Right. How's that going for you? You need help? Oh, you
No, I use my muscles.
got it.
Which muscles?
Yeah, which ones? Oranges!
You're supposed to say all of them.
Orange them.
Orange.
Oranges of them.
Yeah.
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Orange, you glad I didn't say all of them?
That works.
I wish I was quicker sometimes. That was good.
Maybe we just do shots of 151. Get it over with.
Warning, flammable. See the back label.
Yeah, this should be something we light on fire.
I want to know what's on the back label that is more detailed than warning flammable.
Yeah.
Like,
May cause cancer?
Really flammable?
no, it's a bigger one.
Oh, see, it's bigger.
It's just a bigger one that says warning flammable. So if you have to go like this in order to see it, and then you're like this, you're like, oh shit, now I gotta put these back on. I don't understand.
They're just doing their due diligence.
Yeah. So I don't think Bacardi makes 150. I still have their 151, but I don't think they make it.
Ooh, pineapple fuzz.
No. Does this have one of those cool caps on it?
Yes.
Oh yeah. That's the anti-flammable thing.
Yeah.
Like they're supposed to stop it from.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Apparently.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Why don't we we should light something on fire?
We can top this and light it if you want.
But it's already.
There's
It's already-
nothing stopping us.
That would be...
It's gonna have a but it's gonna have a.
Cool.
It's gonna have
Yeah.
an umbrella on top.
Well, that's the risk that we take.
The umbrella will be on fire.
Maybe.
Well,
And then-
maybe you blow it out, then you
Are
put
you
the
sure?
umbrella in.
Because if you put.
That's definitely not the most,
Oh yeah. It's,
like, attractive drink.
It looks like
Well,
chai.
you should take a picture before you mess it up.
Okay. Should we take a picture of it on fire?
No,
You won't see it
before
if you take
the
a picture.
fire.
If you.
You can take another one on fire, but you put another one before the fire.
Look at you.
What do you? I'm confused on what you're gonna do with that umbrella.
He's going to open it up.
By hand, like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
What did you expect me to do with it?
Well, because the stopper is under it, and you're gonna get the cherry juice all over your hands trying to get it in, and then we're gonna have that another salty drink.
Good.
Look at that.
Oh, look at. Oh, look
But
at
you got to, like, lean it in a bit. Yeah.
This could take
Yeah,
us
sure.
longer than it takes to make the drink. He's gonna drop. You guys can see this on the camera, so you can't see it in the live stream, but
Whoa, look at that.
That's a bad
Everyone else
smile,
will see
but
it.
it's that. I can't really see it.
I can see
Sure.
something. Wow, that was pretty aggravating the way you just.
Was that like
But look, it got all foamy.
Oh,
unsatisfying
Dude,
to the LCD? It's like
that-
when somebody cuts a cake and they cut it like not
yeah.
off center or something like that.
You cut off the angle.
Those videos to mess with your OCD.
Yeah. This looks like a picture from like one of those when you go to the Chinese food restaurants and they have like on the side they always
Look
have the
at-
pictures of the cocktails.
Yeah, look at that.
That would be what it
That
looks like.
looks not too bad.
It's like your stereotypical tiki drink. So we don't have a straw, so we're just gonna go balls deep into this
want a
one.
We're going to go.
I get you a straw.
Mm.
You need a straw, I get you a straw. I have straws.
Nope, I'm good.
You have straws,
It's not the most attractive looking drink.
but it's tiki, which is like par for the course. I think.
Is there ice in there too?
That's why they put it in. That's why they usually put them in fancy cups, so you don't see it.
Right.
It looks like a banana.
It looks like it sounds like it's going to taste sweeter than it actually does.
Yeah, because
Well,
this is
151.
There's a lot of 151 in there. I mean, an ounce of 151 is a pretty good amount,
Knock you out.
Yeah.
but it tastes like
No, I don't.
punch.
So it keep,
I think it's good.
does it really?
It's tiki-ish.
Is that a grapefruit?
Yeah.
Yeah, here I am. It's like
I think
it's got a little
that's fine.
creaminess to it.
Mm.
You can even
Mm.
taste rum.
And the banana.
You could definitely
Coconut.
taste
You can
banana.
definitely taste the banana. There's some other taste like
It's like a fruity taste to it, but it could be coconuts, it's bananas, it's oranges, but it doesn't taste like
No.
those.
As far as
specific
college
things.
drinks goes, this is on my list of okay college drinks.
Yeah, I don't.
I
It's,
don't think it's a college drink.
No, I think this is. Honestly, the way if I was, this is something I could do at the pool,
Mm.
and I would do this in like in that little thing I have, the little spinner thing, whatever they call it. Thing.
if you did like a big batch of it,
where you like that thing over there with the big silver cup. No, the blender.
the blender thing.
Yeah.
What is that? The Hamilton. If you take the Hamilton, you fill that shit with like ice or crushed ice. You just build as many fit in that cup, and you just let it go, like chill it up.
This
Pour
is
it out
rich
to the
enough.
pool?
It could be a crushed ice drink.
Yeah.
Mm.
That would be good as a crushed ice drink, but I feel like maybe we might lose the rum.
Mm. I think it's good as is. I mean, maybe you add a little bit of crushed ice.
It's pretty good.
You know how sometimes you have like crushed ice on top or something, like as a floater,
Yeah.
and as opposed to like having the entire glass filled with
Do
crushed ice.
cone, like an ice cone.
Yeah. And then you pour drink over it, so it's not all ice.
Yeah.
Mm.
Or like a big tube of ice cone floats on top, like a little hat.
Or a flitch boat.
Maybe we should light it on fire now.
Mm.
I think it's a little late to light it on fire.
Mm.
Never too late.
Yeah.
It does have a good
I'm
amount.
not,
of
I'm
banana.
not sure what you're talking about.
I like the
You obviously
It
didn't
tastes a
grow up
lot
in the
more like
movies.
banana.
banana, and I feel like it tastes like
You-
151. Like I feel like it's about to burn, but then it doesn't.
Right.
I don't get that much. I get like some rum flavor. I definitely don't feel like it's like
It's almost like the molassesy like flavor I get out of it.
mm.
More than rum itself, which is very strange because 151 usually doesn't taste like anything. It
Yeah.
just tastes like pure
Right.
death and destruction
Burn.
and burn, and it doesn't,
Burninator.
which is pretty cool.
Oh, there's definitely no burn to that
Yeah,
drink.
yeah.
I mean,
No, I
It's a
like
strong band reference.
it. It is a strong band reference.
The Burninator.
Trogdor.
Trogdor.
Speaking of Trogdor, Michael Schwabe is our executive producer. He went out to patreon.com/CMC and he donated to the show so we can buy ingredients to make episodes for you guys.
it's a cool guy.
We do like all this work. I kind of do a lot of work. Ian sometimes makes drinks.
Yeah, sometimes I sleep through it.
I don't-
and sometimes
I don't do
actually
anything.
something.
and Dan
I drink
tastes
a
them
lot.
and tells you we have 3 perspectives for you. We have
That's
the
right.
mature palate, the mature palate when he wants to be, and then whatever the hell I do.
Well, you have more mature palate.
Yeah.
You drink all
We have
fancy stuff.
the anti-sour.
I just drink a lot
Yeah, no
more.
It's fair. So I mean,
Yeah.
with that library of knowledge that's happening here,
Yes.
the taste library is
we
substantial.
just drink I drink a lot more cocktails. Well,
yes.
you drink a lot too.
I don't know. I'm trying. I'm working on it.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so I definitely drink more than
Yeah.
you do.
The last time
Yeah.
Ian
Why I was
drank, he was
napping
probably
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, Ian couldn't take it. I took
No,
him out
last
today.
time I drank,
yeah,
I
it was
was
this
at-
afternoon.
And I had to
this
take a nap.
afternoon.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
But normally,
But before that, it was probably at his house again.
yeah, a couple weeks ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had beer over there a
But
couple weeks ago.
But yeah, I mean,
But he every day probably.
Nah.
not every day, not
Not
cocktails. No.
Okay, so we're
No, but we go out. I can say that when we go out to like eat and stuff, we definitely go to like cocktail bars and
and we do that. So
Yeah.
awesome. It gets expensive when you do that, though.
it does.
Because you get food and you get cocktails. And
Yeah.
you get more cocktails. And normally you almost have to have 2 cocktails before the food comes out sometimes.
Sometimes.
And then you got to have a third
Obligations.
cocktail.
Yeah.
Then you got to finish it with a dessert cocktail. It's a rough life.
That's 50, 60.
Sometimes you gotta throw a glass of wine in there just for like dinner.
Just to cut the,
Yeah, you just gotta like
change it up.
change it up.
But that's a long way of saying that's why
Every
you owe
other
us some
day.
money
Every
for
other
our
day.
experiences that you draw
Every
in.
day I'm drinking.
Also, use Spring 2022 at Austin Drake's to save 20% off for until May 31st, 2022. I do have a Mai Tai kit that comes with like the orgeat, which isn't in this drink, but has been. I threw in a free lime squeeze and a couple old-fashioned glasses, or maybe an old-fashioned glass. I can't remember. You go to AustinDrakes.com. Why should I know? I just built the site and manage it.
Yeah, come on.
Rental inventory.
Yeah, give the guy a break.
So, there's a sidebar for more vids. There's some clicks down there for AustinDrakes.com. Check the links in the description for more. That's it. For T-Shirt I Drink.
Every day.
That's right. Apparently. Every other day and wine in between.